What's going on, guys? Today we'll be working on the Seat Time Z. It officially graduated from shitbox to now the Seat Time car. We will be doing the dual caliper install today along with the hydro. I'll be installing my hydro from the Purple Z because it already has a bracket on there, and I can just take this apart and just bolt it up to where the trans tunnel is. I'm gonna have to do some cutting again. Hopefully I can make it look a lot clearer than how I did last time. Literally has all the lines and everything good to go. Calipers and brake lines. Even have like close to new brake pads. Brackets right here. Dust shield, looking nice. Pretty easy install. Probably the hardest thing about this is making the hole for the brake lines and running it all the way up to the hydro. Now we got clear access to where we need to drill the holes for the brake lines. Now let's make some holes. Always nice to reuse some old parts if you got them laying around. Check this out. My neighbor gifted this to me for helping her out with her car. Sweet old lady. I was like, you really didn't have to, but yep, very grateful. Now let's try to find one that matches the correct width of this. I think I'll do it right around here. Nice little flat area. Smooth, clean. Went ahead and did the other side too. Looking very good. Now let's run these lines so we can finally install that damn hydro. Also, I'll be using a thick rubber hose to seal up the excess gap that's left over from drilling up that hole. Obviously, drifting this car around, you don't want to get all that tire rubber packed up inside your trunk. How nice and badass looking is that? God damn. Got the light bar hooked up. Perfect vision. Getting pretty dark and pretty cold, but I want to get this hydro mounted up, so tomorrow all we have to worry about is just the lines. Got the AC unit and the shift boot taken out. Exposing all this goodness. Just gonna take off these two screws, pop this whole entire piece off, and we should be able to get to these two bolts right over here. This is the bracket I made way back when. It was just a flat piece of metal, bent it into shape, drill some questionable holes, but it fits up pretty damn snug. Just gotta cut a little bit of this little section right over here just to make it fit, but yeah, really not too bad. The more I pull apart this car, the more I find stuff very odd. I mean, why would they ever even want to replace something like this? And with a bolt missing, what the hell? Hydro is nice and bolted on, looking pretty good. That's all I'll be doing for today, cause yeah, it's pretty damn dark. Winter time, the sun goes down whenever it freaking feels like it. So with that, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. What's going on? So another day. First of all, let's fit all this back up and see how much we gotta cut this to make this thing fit. I'm just gonna try to cut it out over here, go up until I hit this little area, and then just kind of leave all this over here so it basically just mounts in and then slides to the side. And yeah, I guess just try to make it clean as possible. Yeah, this was broken right here. I didn't even realize, and yeah, once I just cut a little bit over here, the thing just fucking fell apart. But shit, it'll work. Let's test fit it. All right, mounted up pretty good. Liking it. Now, oh man, I really don't want to butcher this. Like, I can try to make it look clean, but it won't be perfect. That's a damn fact. But it is what it is. Well, this is the final product. I know, right? Like, oh my god, Chris, I thought you were trying to make this car look clean. What the fuck is this? Well, it's the shit we gotta do to make this thing work. Just gonna use some aluminum tape and just seal off the gap. Perfectly sealed. Got a bunch of speaker wire left behind. Just gonna clean up all this little clutter. What do you guys think? Not noticeable, right? It's not bad. I like it. Okay, now to gut all this crap out. I really like what I did with this brake line, utilizing the little hole for the e-brake. Just taking everything out piece by piece. My god, there's even more speaker wire back here. Pretty crazy. This guy must have been bumping. What's going on, guys? Next day, continuing on with the hydro setup. So first, I'm going to start mapping out the length of the lines that I need. So from the hydro all the way back, this is where the T-fitting is going to be. And from the T-fitting, one of these AN lines is going to run all the way back to, oh, you guys can't even see, this brake lamp back over here. I'll make like a rough sketch of it on paper so I know what I'm buying, and also for the people at customer service to kind of figure out what I'm doing. So I sketched out a rough understanding of what I need. T-fitting right in the middle, 40 inches of line going to the driver's side, 40 inches of line going to the passenger side. And yeah, I don't really know what kind of fittings they have. It might be a male or a female ended, so I mean either works. I might have to get adapters to connect to the T-piece. So yeah, I'm just gonna go over there and see what they have and just try to make it work. Definitely a go-to. All right, let's see what they got. Homeboy in there helped me out so much. Literally asked for what I needed, picked it up on the spot. All right, we are home, and since we got steel braided lines and they're like damn flexible, and you know 40 length each, so I'm not gonna worry about cutting out the interior. Looking at it right here like that, I mean yeah, it could be even better, but yeah, let's not rush myself, and I'll just do stuff in a timely manner. But yeah, since the lines are very flexible, I'll just lay them down as best as I can, and when I need to cut them, I'll just literally just take them apart and re-bleed the lines later. It's just I remember doing the hydro setup on my Purple Z, and my god, I had so much issues just trying to get the thing to lock in. I just had to basically just sit there and just pull the fucking thing so many times until like all the air bled out. And yeah, that's basically what I'll do. If I get some time at the track, I'll even do it over there. But yeah, I just want to get a nice clean bleed, and I think I can make this work without actually doing some damage. Really happy I got open-end brake lines. Like, I was really worried that they wouldn't have them in stock, but yeah, looks like they did, and even in the correct length. This saves me a lot of hassle buying adapters to make two male ends fit, because yeah, as you can see, if these were two male ends, I would have to buy adapters to just join these together, but open-ended right here, fits up perfectly, no issues. The sun is definitely going down, so really want to get this done before it gets too dark. Still need to load up the car on the trailer. In the back of the car right now, since these are steel braided, super flexible. I mean, look at that. I'll just probably zip tie it over here so it doesn't move around. And for the time being, I think I'll just use some more aluminum tape and fill up the holes. Mounted up the lines, pretty snug. This thing ain't moving at all. And sealed up the gap right over here. All right, let's get the rest of this stuff done. All's left I gotta do is just bleed out the hydro, but yeah, all out of brake fluid, so that sucks. We are headed up to the track. Just enjoying some coffee and a donut before the homie pulls up. And I think that's him right over there. Yup. I'm gonna be grabbing some fuel and I'll meet you guys at the track. Always a nice drive to Thunderhill. Very calm and relaxing. Beautiful view. We made it, boys. Another day of drifting. Feels like when I first started my YouTube channel. Just heading up to the track every time when I get the opportunity. Got the homeboy over here, Alex. He's pulling up for a Cisco. I'm ready to go pit up and enjoy the rest of the day. Only at the track, a bunch of people. About to do a quick prayer lap with Francisco. Check out the track. Definitely not a beginner layout. A lot of nice flicks, a lot of good transitions. That's gnarly. This is such a tight turn right here. God damn. The homeboy Alex dropping the car down. Beautiful. That seems really good. Just gonna tighten up the lug nuts and just go for it. Got the extra 5 horsepower right here. About to go for our first run. Let's see how this car feels. Honestly, it's the same setup as before. Only difference is obviously the e-brake, but yeah, this thing ain't even bled. I brought some brake fluid, and I'll start bleeding it out a little bit later.
Right corner.
Got it.
You're good.
All right, let's do it. First run.
All right.
Okay, hell yeah, that was gnarly. That felt amazing. I gotta start breathing more.
That was nice.
It felt good. That straightaway kind of really got me. Noisy film with the drone and the GoPro. Some beautiful footage from that thing. Here goes Francisco. Let's see if his power steering works so we can do some nat tandems today. We'll do some nat tandems a little bit later. I want to go for one more run just to get a little bit more comfortable. Second run just to get a little bit more comfortable. Then we're doing some tandems with Francisco.
Let's go.
Yeah, got Alex's brother going out for his first official, drift car run. It's gonna be exciting. Pretty gnarly, right?
Yeah.
It's like once you get in it, it's super smooth.
Yeah, you're just fucking floating.
Yeah. All right. Oh my God. My heart's racing.
Huh?
Every time I do a run, my heart's fucking racing, dude.
I bet.
All right, let's park it for a little bit. Let's wait for our buddy, and then we might do some two-car tandems, which is like cars literally side by side, going crazy, man. I'm pretty sure I can last maybe, I don't know, like 5-6 runs with these, and then probably just swap them out. And then Alex right here, this guy going to first and second, and his freaking transmission went out. Lost second gear, and his car is done for today. Yeah, only his third run. Man, it is what it is. Alrighty, me and Francisco are about to go for our tandem run. I'll be leading, and then we'll swap out like Forza. Lead, follow, lead, follow. Let's have some fun. That was gnarly, bro. Yo, when the fuck did this happen? Bro, you lost your bumper.
Dude, I went into the dirt. Yeah, he went into the dirt and we were on the dirt. And yeah, he came back in and I was like,
Oh shit.
Apparently he got gravel on the track.
Oh, I see.
Okay, thanks, man.
Thank you. All right, we got Francisco's bumper back on, and we're about to go for a clean tandem run. He's gonna be leading this time. Let's do it. Oh my god, the nerves are always playing on me.
Some of those transitions were cut too fucking close for
That was crazy. How'd you like that?
That was not safe. That was not safe. Holy fuck.
That's just how it is, man. Where's the style?
Were like
I'm leading.
going at that clutch aggressive.
Hell yeah. You gotta do it without an e-brake. You just look paralyzed, bro. That was fun.
That was nice. That was hot. That was like, that's it right there.
My car just turned off.
What?
Yeah, my car just turned off.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. No. Well, you probably need another jump.
Yeah, I do.
Maybe we can push it and drop it in second. Just pump it. And then drop it in second so it turns on easier.
Wait, really? That works?
Yeah.
Second gear?
Second gear works better than first gear because it bogs down the car immediately. And as soon as you get it ripping, just boom. Try it, bro.
You want to help me push?
Fuck it. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Why not?
All right. It's not gonna work. That's not gonna work.
We need more people. We need more people.
All right, I'm leading. was all bad, bro.
They're throwing water right there.
Oh god, my car just died again.
Dropped some of this dirt right now from the wheel.
Well, I'm glad I don't got no fucking expensive body kit. I didn't ruin anything, but it's like shit. Alternator is definitely going out. Like, this is not even charging my car at all. Definitely one of the worst runs I had ever. Literally two-wheeled it into the freaking dirt, man. Shit. Sally's knocking. Oh no. Alejandro blew his transmission. I fucking blew my motor, man.
Not for a while, but we'll get a new tranny soon.
Fuck. We're all breaking down here today. Man, that sucks. I had like one good lap with Francisco and that's it. The car is literally done. Like, we jumped it for like a third time and it just keeps dying. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. Now my winch battery is even dead. It's like, my god. What a pain in the ass. Oh, and guess what? Francisco blew his power steering. Like, his whole rack is leaking now. It's like Alex lost his transmission, I lost my engine, and Francisco lost his fucking power steering. What a depressing day. I mean, on the real, I got 2 Z's on standby, so it's not really that much of an issue, but I really just wanted this car to be a C-Time car, you know? Like a car I could take to a track, not worry about getting on doors with random people, messing up the body kit, and just having fun with it, honestly. I don't know if I want to take the time and the effort to actually sink money into this and replace the motor. So we're back from lunch and homeboy Jose pulled up with his 8. I'm gonna try to give him my spot because I only had like what, like 6 runs in, I guess. With the new engine setup, I've never seen this car being drifted. This guy's just replacing his power steering line and he's just gonna get back out there. Taking this car out. From Drift Apocalypse to Drift SF. Oh my god, I'm taking this car out. I'm fucking nervous, yo. Woo! Boost. Yo, this thing feels incredible. What the fuck? Oh my god, yo, thank you so much for that. Oh my god. Are you sure? Yeah. Honestly, yo, respect to the rotary community for keeping up with these cars. Like, this is a lot of maintenance to do.
Honestly, dude. Yeah.
Especially for beating it on a drift track. What the fuck? Power steering feels weird.
The power steering went out? Oh yeah,
yeah.
Power steering went out. That's the thing about that part.
Oh my god.
Dude.
Oh my god.
Right here.
Oh god. Yo, I really don't want to take your seat time, man. Go for it. That's good. Oh my god, it's literally gone. Hell yeah, yo. Yo, that was clean. God damn. Woo.
That was hella smoke, you know?
That was sick. Hell yeah, dude.